Okay, here we are with my second box of shoes. From my no longer shoe room. Alright, well this one, oh wow, I remember these. Size 10.5 Nike Shox. That still feels strong. I really liked this pair. Alright, so give you a close up here. Oop. Alright. Bottom's still in good shape. The shocks are strong. Don't see any rips or tears. The padding's still thick. Tag up here for you. Okay, so I believe these are called the R4. So Nike Shox R4, men's size U, 10.5 US. Next, aha, a pair of Flights. These are size 12, and these are in good shape. Padding's still nice and soft and thick. Let's see. Well, how am I going to do this? Probably be easier one at a time. And for the tag, I'm going to pull that up here. Put my finger under it. I'm not sure if you can see that. But yeah, Airflight 2013, men's size 12, still in really good shape. Next, aha, Air Max 90, size 11.5. Do show a little bit of wear. Let's see if we can get that tag up here for you. But yeah, pair of Air Max 90s, size 11.5. Bubbles still feel good. Okay. And a pair of black and white Nikes. I don't remember the name of these. They're a soccer shoe though. And that is a cloth material with a suede in the front and the back. This is cloth. And they are men's size 11. I remember getting a couple pair of these. I only wore them a couple times. You can tell the bottoms are still in great shape. Pretty cool looking shoes. And then here's another pair of them in red. This pair I did wear a little bit more. And they are size 11. Still don't show hardly any wear. Slight bit of fading on the red. Let's see if we can get the tag up here. You see the insides are still in really good shape too. Right, and the final pair in this box. Another pair of, these are the Nike Tempos soccer shoes, indoor turf. Let's see if we can see the size here. Size 11 US. bit here so you can see inside. Good shape. The ripstairs are holes. They're all leather. Okay, so that is the findings of the second box here. If you're interested in any of these pairs, let me know. Because with this remodel, I could definitely use the money. And that's how you end it.